Every piece of cheese begins on open farmland, where nutritious crops grow to feed dairy cows. And
High-quality feed is carefully grown and harvested to support healthy milk production. Healthy cows are essential to producing high-quality milk. Milking takes place in clean, automated facilities designed for comfort and hygiene. A balanced diet ensures rich, consistent milk. The chilled milk is transported quickly to the processing facility. At the factory, the cheese-making process begins. The milk is stored and prepared under strict sanitary conditions. Pasteurization removes harmful bacteria while protecting flavor. Cultures and rennet are added, beginning the transformation from milk to cheese. The milk begins to solidify, forming curds, the foundation of cheese. Once formed, the curds are carefully cut to release liquid whey. As whey drains off, the curds continue to develop structure. Stirring helps control moisture and determines the cheesel's final texture.
The curds are transferred into molds to shape the cheese.
Pressing removes remaining whey and gives the cheese its final form.
Many cheeses are aged to develop deeper flavors and textures.
During aging, each cheese is carefully monitored and maintained. Time, temperature, and humidity shape the cheesel's character. Quality testing ensures the cheese meets strict standards. The cheese is portioned to meet market needs. Protective packaging preserves freshness and quality. Clear labeling provides essential product information and branding. Advanced systems inspect every package before it leaves the facility.
Human inspectors add an extra layer of quality assurance.
Cold storage preserves freshness until distribution. Refrigerated transport maintains quality during delivery. From farm to factory, precision guides every step.
And that's how cheese is made, from field to table.
A journey of care, science, and tradition.
The finished cheese reaches stores ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see how everyday foods are made.